Hello, my name is Carrie Keith. I'm a high school English teacher at West Springfield High School. I teach English 12, English 12 Honors, and dual enrollment English. Dual enrollment is new for me, so it's a little bit of a challenge, but I love it. I love this area. I've lived in the DC area for about 20 years, and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. This is a great place to be. A little bit about me. I have 4 golden retrievers. I love yoga, and I have 2 kids who are both at Mason. So it's kind of a Mason thing with us. We're a whole Mason family. Let's see, things that I do that are interesting in terms of online teaching and online learning. I do create a blended environment in my classroom, so I do a lot of Google Classroom. I do some Blackboard, but I usually use just Google. But we do a lot of integrated activities, a lot of posting, a lot of online collaboration, and a lot of online feedback, which I really think the kids appreciate and enjoy. So I am really enjoying that, especially since next year we're going to be going to a one-to-one. I am very fortunate in that I have computers in my classroom, so that's really great that I'm very fortunate to have that because of my dual enrollment. So that's wonderful. I'm really hoping to be able to integrate even more technology and more programs and more just more tools, more blended learning tools and more online tools into the classroom so that I can help my students benefit even more from what we're doing already. But I guess that's it for now. It's good to meet you all.